What's happening, party people? I am in Chicago trying to make some rounds. Number one priority is get Jake's car running. Anytime somebody doesn't have a vehicle, that kind of puts stress on people, and I like to help those folks as quick as I can. Trying to get his cylinder head rebuilt. It was supposed to be rebuilt, the one I picked up, but it's not. So I'm taking care of that yesterday and today. And then I'm going to go try to put that in this morning. This is supposed to be extremely hot here in Chicago. Drug all that heat up from Houston. After that, I'm going to help Sebastian. Then I have a doctor's appointment in Cincinnati on Monday. Be back here Tuesday morning. Finish up with Sebastian and then start making my rounds to some other folks that's on this list here. So that's what I got going on. Appreciate y'all's patience up here. And today's video, I just made a junkyard run. Didn't have much energy to do much else because I was still trying to stabilize life after that road trip from Houston. So appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. Dang Nissan, got the alarm going on. We're looking for Volvos, folks. We don't need no Nissans, no Toyotas, no Hyundais, just Volvos. I need brake caliper, 2 starters, and that should do it for me. Some miscellaneous stuff here and there. Y'all know how that goes, the miscellaneous. See what we can find. Here it is, folks, a 740. Man, the dash looks good. Red block, people. Somebody took the lights and stuff off of that one. See what we're gonna see next. Looks like a 2012 S60. Man, look at these seats. That's nice. Elizabeth needs a camera mirror. This one doesn't have it. So I'll keep looking. But that's got a nice trim on it. Nice wheels, nice tires, probably a blown head. Because that's how they roll around here. Oh, look. What do you call these? C30s? Look like it's actually got the trim in the back window. A lot of people need those. Probably got a blown head. Or a busted engine because people don't like checking oil. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Looks like some neglect on this one. I forgot to bring my jump box so I could test the starter. That trim looks pretty good, but it's starting to crack it, dude. There's a lot of wasp out here. This place is loaded with the wasps. So you got one of the doors locked. Do. I need a caliper. I'm not gonna take that one, hopefully. Well, I gotta take that one, another one off the 850. I hate that the dang wheel's still on. Let's see what the one on the 850 looks like. See if it functions well. Here's an 850. I gotta knock that wheel off to get it that caliper. Hopefully that's fine. And why is there wagon seats back here? I actually need a couple of these clips off of these, because the ones in Panther are broke. I'm gonna pull this starter. And anything else in here worth grabbing? I don't see much, man. People hit that thing hard. Whew. Good Lord. I pushed on the brake. Somebody else tried to move the rotor. It would not move, so it is good. Let it go. It moves fine. I think the one on Lemonade is binding. Wasn't sure if that was a T40 or T45. T40 is too small. I brought a T40 and a T55, so I'm gonna have to go back to my car and get that. Let me go ahead and take the clip off of it, cut the line, and the only tool I'll need to bring back is my T45 or my 7mm. Either or will work. Let me get this starter out, and then I didn't bring my jump box to test it, so I'll bring my jump box out to test it. Another 40, kind of like the one I had. Never seen a roof liner that darkened one. Decent seats, and that thing looks good. Silver gray, 89,740. Here it is, 335. Been sitting somewhere. It is a T5. Got a key still. Automatic with a manual override button. And there's the brake pedal. Just picked up that caliper and 2 starters. On the caliper, I pushed on the brake and the guy tried to turn the rotor. He couldn't turn it. I let off the brake. He was able to turn the rotor. Caliper's good. The starters I brought up here to O'Reilly's. You can see that one's a Bosch. Not sure what that one is. It's probably original too. They put them on their tester. Both of them tested good. So I am headed back to the house. Done for the day. Since I've been up since Sunday morning. And I don't even know what day this is. I think it's Tuesday around 4:20. And I'm headed back to Cincinnati. Try to have dinner with Elizabeth. That's it. Made that salvage yard run. Got a couple of parts I needed for my fleet. And I am about to go for my walk, have a little breakfast, and get cracking today. Hopefully I will get a lot more done today than I did yesterday. Like, share, subscribe, comment. I appreciate your support.